If every smartphone on Earth stopped working tomorrow, animals would still sense danger long before we ever could. For millions of years, they survived without weather apps, satellites, or alarms. And today, some species can detect earthquakes, tsunamis, storms, and volcanic eruptions. Hours, even days before humans notice anything. So, how do they do it? And which animals are the world's natural disaster detectors? Let's start with one you definitely didn't expect. Elephants. In 2004, when the Indian Ocean tsunami hit, people reported something strange. Elephants that were giving tourist rides suddenly panicked, broke their chains, and ran inland minutes before the waves arrived. Scientists believe elephants can detect infrasound, extremely low-frequency vibrations that travel through the ground long before the shaking reaches humans. Some researchers think they may even sense pressure changes in the ocean from miles away. Now, to the snakes, the silent underground warning system. Snakes live close to the ground and have bodies that act almost like tuning forks. In China, researchers observed that snakes behaved erratically sometimes, even leaving their burrows in winter hours before major earthquakes. Their bodies pick up tiny shifts in the Earth's crust long before seismic equipment can detect them. Then there are dogs, humanity's oldest alarm system. Many dog owners report strange behavior before earthquakes. Restlessness, whining, refusing to enter certain rooms. Studies suggest dogs may detect P waves, the faint, fast-moving waves that hit right before the destructive ones. And because dogs hear frequencies far beyond our range, pressure changes hit them much harder. But perhaps the most sensitive of them all are the birds. Right before storms, hurricanes, or volcanic eruptions, birds often vanish, sometimes days earlier. In one study, golden-winged warblers suddenly migrated hundreds of kilometers away, just before a massive tornado outbreak. Even though the storms weren't detectable on radar yet, scientists believe birds sense shifts in barometric pressure and infrasound, giving them an early escape route. Even insects get in on this strange ability. Before earthquakes, ants suddenly abandon their regular patterns, acting restless or reorganizing their nests. Their bodies detect chemical changes in the soil microfractures, releasing gases we can't smell. And finally, the ocean's warning sign. Fish. Before tsunamis, deep-sea fish sometimes appear near coastlines. Their sensory systems pick up pressure disturbances, traveling through water long before waves reach the surface. It's not magic. It's biology fine-tuned by millions of years of survival. So, here's the real question. Should humans trust animal behavior to predict disasters? Scientists say animals aren't perfect, but ignoring them would be a mistake. Their bodies are built to sense the planet in ways we simply can't. When animals flee, grow silent, or suddenly change their patterns, something in nature is shifting. These creatures aren't psychic. They're not supernatural. They're simply listening to the Earth. And sometimes, the Earth whispers before it screams.